Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie Swan and this is my channel on everything beauty related. So last month we did a little series special on my beauty room tour which showed you guys my lighting setup, how I video and edit on my phone, and how I did this DIY marble desktop for my vanity and my makeup room. So if you guys did not catch those videos, I'll post them in the description box below, and on one of these sides you can click the cards. So I thought we would carry on and do another series this month because that went over really well, and do what's in my beauty bag series for the rest of this month. And I thought I would start with what is in my LimeLight beauty guide kit. As if you guys did not see my previous video, I recently joined up with a makeup company called LimeLight by ALCONE, which will soon be LimeLight by ALCONE. And it is all professional products that are made available to the everyday consumer through a direct sales model, so that makeup artists and beauty enthusiasts can retail the beauty products that they use on their clients. So I thought I would show you guys what all came in my kit. This is the beautiful box that it came in. It's so pretty. And then I thought we would do another video on what's in my freelance kit, what's in my beauty bag for a teen or a minimalist, and then go into different skin types. So what I would recommend for dry, oily, or combo skin in a beauty bag, and then my beauty bag on vacation. So kind of what you pack to go away. So if you guys are really excited for all that is to come, be sure to click the subscribe and the little bell, and then you guys get notified every time new videos get uploaded. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is the box, the huge giant box that you get when you sign up to be a LimeLight Beauty representative. And so what comes in the kit is just a little bit of everything that you need to be able to start your beauty business, your makeup business, build a huge base collection for your freelance kit if makeup artistry is what you're into. It's definitely not something that you have to be a freelance makeup artist to do. You can simply just be an enthusiast of makeup that you really love sharing products with your friends, family, etc. This is the Canadian version. I will show you guys as well the US starter kit. It's a little bit different, and this is for the month of April in case you guys are watching this down the road. Sometimes these kits change, so this is for April 2018. And the Canadian one comes with $682 worth of product for $212. Unreal. So this in itself is just a really good way to start off. What I was really excited about is building my professional freelance kit. Okay, so opening this giant box, and it comes with an awesome like magnetic closure. It's a really nice box. Okay, so when you first open it, you get this little mini tablet here, and then when you turn it on, it just shows a little video sort of welcoming you to LimeLight by ALCONE, and it kind of gives you background history and stuff like that. I didn't know anything about direct. So that's that. That's very cool. Really awesome touch. You get a little makeup bag for your brush collection, and for the month of April in Canada, you get these 5 brushes. So you get this is brush number 3, and I've used all these brushes so they're a little bit dirty right now. So this is like, I like this for contour and blushing. Then you get a really nice blending brush. This is brush number 10, and you guys, these are really nice. Like, listen, I don't know if you can hear that, but they're not like, they're weighted at the end. They're really nice quality, soft, vegan synthetic brushes. Then you get this number 7, which is like a large paddle brush for eyeshadow. And then you get a really nice crease brush. This is the number 8. And then a bent liner brush, which is brush number 15. There are 3 different kits that you guys can order. There's a light, medium, and dark. And so that's not for foundation matching purposes. You actually don't get foundation in this particular kit, but you do, it gives you light, medium, and dark, and that's all depending on blushes and lip colors. So I ordered the light one, and I got 2 of their lipsticks. This is the more nude one. This is color 100. And then I also got a little bit of a darker one, and this is color 201. And then you get their Perfect Mascara, which is this is what the wand looks like, and it is a 1-step fiber mascara. And then the Smudge Proof, actually smudge proof, you guys. So I'll put that on there. Okay, nice dark line. It comes with like hairs. It's not a felt tip, and it's a really nice, really easy to apply with. It doesn't dry out. I've had that problem before with liquid liners, that when you have them sitting upright, all the product kind of runs down and then it's dried out and you don't get a nice crisp winged liner, which I really love. And so I'm really liking this eyeliner pen. You get this 3-well palette, which is amazing. All the makeup comes in these awesome watercolor palettes, which I think are very pretty, white based with just a little kind of accent of color. And mine came with a darker blush and a lighter blush, and I just kind of swapped these out, because then you get your perfect pressed powder, and this is your translucent setting powder, bronzer, blush. Isn't that perfect? Everything right here in your one little palette. And then you also get this little quad shadow, so you get to try some of their awesome shadows. Very highly pigmented eyeshadow. So this was actually I kind of switched this one up a bit. This isn't the exact one that came in my kit. There was a lighter pink one in here. But yeah, this quad palette is really nice to sample. You can have your 2 eyeshadow colors. You could do your brows with the browns that come in it too. And then get their very famous Blenderful. Mine is dirty, you guys, heads up, because I'm just loving this. So I use it every day. It looks like this. It's yellow. Mine is brown from my foundation. And it has this flat end, and the texture of the sponge is really nice. Like, it goes to that really, like, it expands really nice and gets really soft. And this flat part is really nice for applying your foundation. Switch it and get it up close to your eyes. And then you can put it back into this mesh magnetic closure case, and then it doesn't touch anything and get all gross and bacteria, but it's still able to dry out. So I think that that is a really awesome little bag that you get with it. And all of the products that come in it are full-size products. It's crazy. So then for the skincare, you get this Bamboo Renew. It's bamboo and lemongrass body scrub, and when you open it, it actually kind of looks like coffee grounds, like it's walnut shells, and it's all natural organic ingredients in the skincare. The skincare is so awesome. The price point is amazing. Here's what it says. Our products are made with natural and certified organic ingredients. Are non-comedogenic, contain non-synthetic fragrances or colors, parabens, phthalates, I don't know if that's how you say it, no SLS, and have never been tested on animals, and all of the makeup is cruelty-free, not tested on animals, and yeah, there are no harmful chemicals in any of the cosmetics, and all certified, natural and certified organic ingredients in the skincare. And then you get the Dream Clean, which is the cleanser for oilier skin types and acne prone skin types. It's very nice. It has aloe vera and soapberry in it, so it gives it a natural kind of lather to it. Very nice. This is what I've been using because I have an oilier skin type, and I've been loving it. And then you also get 2 of my favorite products. You get the Sotox, and this is a face serum, but it actually feels more like a light moisturizer. Loving this. So this is the anti-aging product. It's good for helping keep your skin firm and all the anti-aging properties. It says a blend of firming, brightening, and age-reversing activities found in a rare algae called Puolulan and the precious extract of the Sonji mushroom to lift sagging skin, smooth wrinkles, and reverse stress included aging. So that I use like right after I wash my face, and then I apply this as a primer and moisturizer. This is so good. This is the must do and could be like it's definitely my top 3 products. I love the Must Do. It's a blend of vegetable and therapeutic essential oils, restores, refreshes, and protects skin cells. Helichrysum, I think that's how you say it, stimulates new cell growth. Well, so I don't know that word. A fruit extract stabilizes cell membranes for an overall healthier skin. So this just makes your skin glow, even for oily skin, because like I said, I have oily skin and I still put this on. If you guys are not facial oil lovers yet, you need to dive on board and just try it. Trust me, because how it just absorbs into your skin is so nice. It doesn't feel heavy on your skin, but it just gives you glow, and it makes your foundation apply so nice, so nice. So you don't need a primer. All you need is this Must Do. Then it came with a skin polish scrub, and so this is for drier skin types. It's really good, but anyone can really use it. I've been using it and I really like it. So it's a lemon and jojoba beads face mask. And so yeah, it gives a very gentle exfoliating effect, and then you just leave the product on for a bit and it hydrates. And then you just wash it off, apply all your makeup and everything as per usual. And then it also comes with this. This smells so good to me. This is the 40 Cure Cream. It's a Tamanu seed and lavender hand and body cream. So this is really good for very, very dry areas like psoriasis, eczema, dry elbows, heels, feet, like things like that. This is really good for. I've just kind of been using it all over my body and I'm really loving it, and it smells so good. So the thing that differs between the Canadian kit and the US kit for the month of April 2018 is you get a lip gloss, an enduring lip color, which is like a liquid lipstick, and then you also get a lip pencil and the whole freaking brush set. You guys, I forgot to tell you, you also get some business materials, some marketing materials, like the catalogs and some of the like invoice sheets. You'll also get some color matching cards to help match foundation and stuff like that on customers. And these catalogs are so nice. They're very like high quality catalogs. So you will be getting in your kit, if you are in the US, this whole brush set. That's crazy. That's a lot of brushes. So the brush set is worth, where do we have a price? $224 US, and it is included in your kit price. Unreal. Okay, so just a quick little flip through the catalog. Like, it's very nice and clean. Like this, I just want to hang up on my wall. It's very easy to, very nice and clean and easy to kind of browse through and see what everything's all about. It has a little write-up for each. It says which one. It has a little V underneath all the vegan products. And yeah, so just a very, very nicely laid out catalog. I really like these catalogs a lot. And then it has all the colors of foundations and concealers. And so if you guys wanted to look a bit further into this kit and what it's all about, I will post a link below in the description box. And if you guys have any questions, post in the comments. You guys can also follow me over on Instagram. I'll post my handle right here. It's Jamie Swan Beauty, and you guys can DM me and message me any questions. I'm also on Facebook. My beauty page is Jamie Swan Beauty as well, and you guys can message me over there. So I'm going to wrap up this video here because that will lead into next week when we kind of dabble through the extra things I've bought and what it looks like in my freelance kit, and maybe a couple extra things that I've gathered along the way. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and click on that bell so that you guys are notified when the next video goes live. I upload every Monday. So thank you guys very much for watching and have an awesome day. See ya.